Changing the text message sound on your Android phone usually requires you to change one important setting first. Go to Settings and then scroll down to Notifications. Once you're in the notification settings, go to Advanced Settings, and towards the bottom, look for the toggle that says Manage Notification Categories for each app. That's the one you'll want to turn on. Then go back to your notification settings and on the very top choose App Notifications. Then from the list of apps, find the app you use for texting. You can do this for the Messages app or really any app you use for messaging. Once I'm in the settings for Messages, I'll go to Notification Categories. And from there, we'll choose the type of notification I want to change the sound for. Then go to Sound and choose a new sound for incoming messages. Android does have an option to use custom songs or sound effects, or you can choose from the built-in options. If you want to use custom sounds, I'll link a video in the description that shows how to do that. And that's really it. You can go back and change sounds for as many apps as you'd like. Click that like button if this helped you and subscribe to get more easy guides like this straight into your YouTube feed.